We are continuing to just watch Hurricane Ian intensify rapidly over the day now. What started as a weak storm is nearing Category 5 strength now.
Homes damaged, trees down everywhere. It's really everywhere you look. And authorities want everyone to know tonight this storm is still churning.
Here's the latest from the National Hurricane Center. We've got a Category 1 storm, 35 miles west-southwest of Wilmington, 75-mile-per-hour winds, still moving slowly west at 6 miles per hour. We have tornado watches up to the north and to the west as well.
Idalia is the strongest storm to hit this part of Florida, to make landfall in this part of Florida in over 100 years.
Many evacuees now returning to find their property damaged by the floodwaters.
The home he and his nephew had built just a year prior was one of just 2 still inhabitable on his street.
We did the things that we could that we thought would increase survivability.
When the house was renovated 2 years ago, the homeowners replaced the shingle roof with a red metal roof.
You've seen the devastation left behind by the wildfires in Maui, but in that sea of gray ash in one neighborhood, a bright red-roofed house is still standing.
What do you think are the advantages of having a Gator Metal Roof?
We had a lot of problems with the asphalt roof that we had before. The shingles would blow off in the hurricanes, and this is the first time in like 8 years since the last little tiny hurricane that our roof hasn't leaked, and so the Gator Metal Roofing
longevity, everything about it, it's a lot better than shingles.
Having a metal roof, if there is wind damage or any rain damage, my home will be protected. And with the hurricanes and things like that, I'm glad that I do have the metal roofing, so when the bad weather starts to come, I won't have to worry about any leaks or anything like that.
During Hurricane Floyd, we had a tree down on our garage, and we had 2 trees come down and they hit the top of our house.
Wow.
Having those repaired, having a crane have to come in to get the trees off the roof. If that had happened with a metal roof, I don't know if it would have penetrated the roof. It might have, but I would have been a little bit more protected.
I just had put a new roof on this house 2 years ago, and I've had damage a couple of times because of the weather around here, so it's time to go with metal.
You don't have to worry about it. It's got a lifetime warranty. That's the good thing, because I will never have to put another roof on my house.
The hurricane recently came through. What was your experience with the hurricane?
You know what, it wasn't really loud. It was nice. The raindrops was good. You could hear it like old-timey. When we was kids, we had a metal roof. So it was nice. The roof was nice. And it stood still. It didn't fall off.
With the heat down here and the possibilities of storms coming rolling in, it was time for us to put on another roof. Once I saw the commercial from Gator, I said, they're the ones. They're the ones I want to go with.
So I've had other companies come out, and a lot of the companies that come out didn't, even though they say they specialize in metal roofs, they steered right towards the shingles. And if I wanted a shingle roof, I probably would have kept what I had, but we're in a hurricane-prone area, and we've had enough of the shingles. So I want to keep my roof in my yard. So that's why I got a metal roof.
I love it.
We felt like with a whole lot of the wind and snow that we get here in the mountains, standing seam metal would be an excellent choice for us. I know at the coast, they use a whole lot of standing seam metal as well because of the wind that comes in off the coast. So, you know, if it can stand up to the coast, it'll stand these mountain winds as well.
My renter was here during the storm. This hurricane just came through, and I was worried about the noise of a metal roof. She said she didn't hear anything. It was real quiet, so we were real pleased.
It's solid. It's better than shingles. Shingles rips up easy. Storms take shingles off, and it's a pain in the butt to replace them, and I got tired of it, so I felt, let's go for metal.
Would you recommend Gator Metal Roofing to your friends and family?
I'll tell anybody who will listen, I mean, frankly. All my neighbors and family members, everybody I speak to about it, I've been shouting the praises because I just couldn't have imagined it would have gone so smooth and been such a professional experience. It increased the value of the home considerably, you know, and it's just a great investment. And it really did look at it like an investment versus a cost or an expense, because you know, not just the aesthetics, but You know, just frankly, the strength and you know, making sure that the house stays nice and dry and solid.
This is the second roof that I put on this house. So I knew I didn't want to go back with the standard roof. So I did a little research about metal and supposedly lasts a lifetime.
Yes.
So that's my reason.
All right, our Gator Metal Roofs are backed by a lifetime warranty, and they are durable and they stand the test of time against the toughest weather conditions.